Hey everyone, here's how to create an OKX account. Creating an OKX account is simple, but you need to do it correctly to avoid issues later. First of all, head over to your app store, then search for the OKX app and then download it from over there. Once downloaded, open the app and then tap sign up. Then select your country or region and then agree to the terms of services and click on create an account. After that, enter your email address, then click sign up. Now you'll be requested to complete the puzzle, then complete it. A 6-digit code will be sent to your Gmail, so open your Gmail, then see if you've gotten your mail. Look at the code, remember it, then enter it in the app. Now you're going to enter your phone number. Next, once you enter it, you'll again be sent a code to your SMS. Then you can directly paste it here. Now you're going to create a password. Make sure to create a strong password. Your app or your phone may suggest your password which you can use because it's strong and unique, so you other won't have access to your privacy. Then you can also choose your own password. Click on next and there you go. This is how you guys can create a OKX account. You can also add a passkey if you want. If you don't want to, that's okay, and there you go. This is how you guys can create a OKX account. Even if you created your account, withdrawals require identity verification, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.